What's up, man? Nice to see you. How are
What's
you?
up?
Yeah. What's up, man?
How are you?
Good. Should we go for a drive?
Let's have a drive.
Cheers, Frank. All right, take a look at this lineup, you guys. Well, this is the Chiron Pure Sport, and it's inspired by the X-Wing jet fighter from Star Wars. Now, take a look at this one here. This is the Super Sports 300 Plus. Why does it have fly marks all on the front? Because it actually broke the world speed record at 490 kilometers an hour. Look at the long tail here. There are only going to be 30 of these made for €3.5 million each. Totally stripped down. Okay, next in the lineup, this is the Cento Dieci. Look at these lights here on the back, how they come out like that. This Bugatti was inspired by the EB110. You can see this here on the outside, these little features. And this one, they're making 10 of these for €8 million each. Now, this, I'm sure you've seen before, this is La Voiture Noire. There is only one of these in the world. Only one will be made ever. Take a look at these lights here. Wow. Look at these headlights, how they all individually come out. And this center line here, this is inspired by a Bugatti from the 30s. This is the most expensive production car ever made at €11 million. This right here. Incredible. Look at this line here at the back. Woo! And then we have the Devo. Look at this beauty. Do you love all these tail lights? How they come out like that? They jut out. Now this one's extra special, you guys, because this is the first customer car going out. And look at the headlights at the front. Look how wide they are on the car. Makes it look even wider and more aggressive. And look here in the center, this two-tone. On one side it's white, on one side it's black. That looks quite cool. Only 40 of these are going to be made at €5 million each. All right, let me know what you guys like, what you found the most good-looking Bugatti here in this lineup. All right.